Okay, can I tell you what I'm doing, thinking right now? I'm sitting here, I'm looking at you, I'm looking away, I'm thinking, okay, there's a flight to catch, oh no, we have to leave. What am I doing tomorrow? I have to wake up at this time. This is my brain all the time.
No, that is not your brain.
Oh my God. But that's true actually. Why are we so wound up? But we are always wound up. Okay, I can speak for myself. You reach the end of the day and you're tired and you want to sleep. And in fact, even after I've slept 8 hours, I want to sleep more. Then I have to wake up because I have to wake up. So I love sleeping.
Nobody loves sleeping because when you're really sleeping, you don't exist. So what's there to love about? You don't love your existence. You may like the restfulness it creates for you, but if I teach you a way, if you sit here for 15 minutes, you feel like you've slept for 3-4 hours. If I teach you something like that, would you like that?
Yeah, I mean, who wouldn't?
Then why the hell you're all in Tamil Nadu only? Why have you not come and learnt?
No, but… No, so okay, so what time to what time do you sleep? Like say 12 a.m. to 4 a.m.? Or what… okay, fine, what are you doing? Like a very busy day. Sorry, now I'm going all over.
No, it's a conversation, you can go where you want.
I want to know just before sleep, when you shut your eyes, I feel like… I ask this question a lot. What's the last thought that you feel constantly tends to enter your mind just before you doze off to sleep? Is that thought for you consistent? Is it no thought? Is it just, what is it?
That's what I tried to articulate in the beginning. See, when you have no opinions, you have no thought also. When you have no conclusions. See, right now I'm looking at you, I'm just looking at you. I'm not thinking, Alia Bhatt, this one, that one, that one. No, just looking at you. That's all. And I know you're like a scenery, you keep changing, I'm just looking at it. So if I make an opinion, she's like this, she's like that, then my mind gets busy. I don't make an opinion, I'm just looking at what is there.
Okay, can I tell you what I'm doing, thinking right now? I'm sitting here, I'm looking at you, I'm looking away, I'm thinking, okay, there's a flight to catch, oh no, we have to leave. What am I doing tomorrow? I have to wake up at this time. This is my brain all the time.
No, that is not your brain, that's the way you're conducting your brain.
That's the way I'm conducting my brain.
See, it's like this, you're a bad driver. You go take your car and bump into everybody and go. And then you say, this is what my car does. You're a bad driver, it's as simple as that.
So I'm not driving well right now.
No, it's not just about you. 90% of the human beings, most of the time, are thinking some rubbish that doesn't mean a damn thing to them. If they thought what they want, they would have created something wonderful for themselves and for everybody, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm saying, using 5 to 10% or 15% of the brain, they're doing so many things. If they used 100%, they would be spectacular human beings, everyone. Because everybody's got the same brain, reasonably. Reasonably everybody has the same brain. See, I don't know, most people, they're all city people, they might not have spent… In my life, I've spent so much time with animals, small animals like ants, a grasshopper, a bee, like this, I've lived with them, I've spent so much attention. They live a brilliant life. They are so focused, so organized. What they want, they will do. They will not do anything other than what they want, unless they are completely threatened and something. Human beings are not doing what they want. If they had the brain of an earthworm, they would all be peaceful. They got this big brain and they're struggling with it. So people are not struggling with stupidity, they're struggling with intelligence, isn't it? Tell me, is intelligence a solution or a problem? Should intelligence be a solution or a problem?
Solution?
It should be, but everybody is making a problem out of it. This is why in the evening everybody is soaking it in alcohol or drug or something, because otherwise it'll freak the hell out of them. Your intelligence, should make your life, not destroy your life, isn't it? This is the greatest thing we have. But it's turned into enemy. For most human beings, this miracle that we call as mind has become a misery manufacturing machine. Tell me, where is all the human misery manufactured? In Chennai? Hello? In human mind or no? Hello? Hello? It's manufactured in your mind. For what? Your mind should work for you, for your well-being. But constantly it's bothering you. People come and ask, you're telling me you sleep for 9 hours? People come and ask, Sadhguru, how to sleep? I say, God damn it, if you cannot even sleep, what can you do in your life, huh? The easiest goddamn thing is to sleep. You can't even do that. This is a serious problem in the world. Without a drink or a drug or a tablet or something, they cannot sleep. No, one thing is you don't use your body enough. When I go to bed, whenever it is, I don't sleep, I fall dead. Because you… Yes, you're supposed… See, these are all things, your body, your brains, everything, it gets better with use. With use, it gets better. If you're trying to preserve it to go to heaven, I'm sorry, they're not allowing this body there.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. Before you leave, watch this latest video now.